Welcome to Tuesday, September 15th video newsletter. Let's look at the 60-minute chart of the Dow. We had, basically a selling at the beginning of the day. Okay, some selling, and then it came back, and then it finished the day strong. And we can look the same thing, except the QQQ just gapped and then came back up, so that was good in that sense, that it does a gap fill and continues to go over that. A lot of people were expecting, with that gap down to maybe come back here to this level and then go down, but instead it just went sideways and it broke again to the upside. That's very, very good, very bullish. And if you look, I'm just going to show you something on a 60-minute chart. Okay, the fact that at the open it was breaking this was a sign, if we're breaking this, was a sign that we could, get out of this uptrend that we have since about 903. So that's very, very interesting that we're just, bouncing back from this level. Now let's go with one stock, and I'm sure I got a lot of emails what to do in this trade. I was actually at lunch, and when I saw that, because it was some type, I don't know if it's someone selling, taking some profit, but it looks like it's more like vicious selling, because it's pretty big volume pushing it down, and it went down. It's like 500,000 shares in not too long. So in this situation, when you see that happen, you either freak out, or you take advantage of it. And being the trader that I am, with experience in a stock like that, when you see that happening right at the a time when people are most of the time not in front of their screen. I was even in a meeting having lunch, and then I had my broker call me, and we just decided to buy some more. It's just a great opportunity to do that. So it's and then after that the market just push it back up. So that's a very, very good sign of strength. This stock is definitely acting well. You see this big bottoming tail. Normally you don't see stock recover from that, but it did. It was funny to look at it, and see how really was pushed on big volume. So that's it. So you know what? In this situation, this level was important, and that's basically the way we look at it right now, this area. And that's the tough thing with trading penny stock, because sometimes it takes some stomach to be able to go through that. That's it for that one. So still in KNDR, and I'm really looking for the big push. And after seeing this, it's this strength here, it's looking very good on that one. It's a good sign. HYGN, I don't know if you were able to take advantage of it, but there was an opportunity to buy it at the open, as it decided to go and get out of this little channel I was talking to you about right here, and it did that, and we're in for a nice small position on that one. We'll see where we go with that one, but that's nice. NVSR, looking at it on the daily, didn't have the volume, but it stayed right there at the trend line, which is great, so we keep watching it. MDOR, it gapped up, but you know what, it gapped up, but then after that it didn't follow the move. So that's something you want to see it there, but you know what, if it doesn't go and then reverse that in the first 15 minutes, it doesn't make sense, to get in, because there was just not enough power behind the move, or not enough people getting in the move. Okay, it's very important to understand that. Now WTWO, it's it works so well when I use that, and I want to see a new high made, and I want to see it done with strength. And look at this, just a big flush on this stock. So you know what, we'll need to see this reconstruct, and that's why I really use this system to get me out of trade, and actually not out, but make sure I don't get in stocks before they show some strength and they show a good confirmation that the stock is going somewhere. So that's very, very important to use this as a good example of that, basically. Now, I'm just going through a couple of stock. This one, you know what? We missed that deal. It's very interesting. Um, but hey, it happens. I think actually, even some people mentioned that to me, like when it was at 20, and I said, oh, you know what? It's tough to re-enter that, and then it gapped, and that turned me off. But hey, anybody that took that, congrat. I just wanted to show you that's a good pattern of acceleration with volume. So that's very, very interesting. This deal that I showed you a few days ago is still going sideways, consolidating. So that's a trade maybe we will get in if it makes some good sideways consolidation. This one, as you see, I told you was very damaged because full reversal there, and then it kind of turned today, but we still see some selling as it comes back up, right? So anyways, in this case, you know, for me it was not a sign to enter because it was too steep, and then we have to look for some follow-up. But it could have been a trade, you know, some people could have get into this one and make money. So that's, you know, it's always a question of if you like and if you feel like taking the risk. Some pattern, when they're not as clear, I don't like to take. That's it. So I guess on this is the end of this newsletter for today, and we will keep you posted if there's anything new tomorrow intraday. I'm still looking for this next big play, and I think we'll get it soon. But for the, you know, in the meantime, we're focusing on that and doing a few other trades in between. So have a great day tomorrow. Actually on Tuesday. I'm recording that on Monday night now, so have a great day Tuesday, and we'll see you Wednesday morning. Thanks.